Welcome to Freedom. My name's Kate and I'm Freedom's Head of Design, and I'm proud to present our exclusive Freedom mattress range. We really enjoyed designing this range, which is inspired by our amazing Australian and New Zealand landscapes. Our inspiration for the Nimbus design came from the remarkable wheat tracks I saw whilst flying across our country. This design is complemented with Warwick fabrics on the sides and matching base, natural coloured piping and embroidered logo.
The Nimbus is available in 3 feels: firm, medium and plush, to cater for all personal preferences, providing advanced comfort for your sleep sanctuary. It is also available in a range of sizes from single to super king. The mattress starts with a soft-to-touch, stretch knit fabric that is combined with Australian wool fibres for better breathability and comfort throughout the year. Premium Australian-made foams conform to your body and provide pressure relief to reduce the need to toss and turn for a better night's sleep. These foams are also GECA certified and treated with HealthGuard, which means they are healthier, more sustainable and better for the environment. While you sleep, hundreds of springs provide all-night support. These clever springs sit in individual pockets, known as pocket springs, which move independently to reduce motion transfer within the mattress. This means if you have a partner who moves around a lot or sometimes comes to bed at different times, there will be less partner disturbance, assisting in a more undisturbed night's sleep. Running from the head to the foot of the mattress, the springs are arranged over 3 zones with an additional level of firmness in the centre third to provide additional support for your lower back. The mattress also has a full foam edge which goes all the way around the mattress. This allows you to maximise the entire mattress's surface, catering to more sleeping positions without feeling like you are rolling out of bed.
Handcrafted in Australia, Freedom's mattress range is uniquely beautiful and luxurious, both inside and out. Designed so that everyone can create their own sanctuary for a perfect night's sleep.